and touch your wife. Psychologists have told us that a woman needs 13 meaningful touches per day. Meaningful, not just sexual, meaningful. Tickle your wife, touch her, give her a peck. My husband is a bishop. He pastors thousands of people. He still he carries me on his back and flings me around. I feel good. I feel very good. One day I noticed that it's been a long time since he carried me like that. So I said, hello, darling. I need to take one hat from, I keep my hat on the wardrobe. So I said he should lift me up. He lifted me. I needed the green hat. I found it. I said, push me up again. Push me up. He said, have you not found it? I said, push me a little inside. When last did you lift your wife up? Some of you, since your wedding day. That was the last time you. He said, she's so fat now. If you can't lift her up, put her a little. Let her legs be, be dragging. At least let her feel it. And some of you women, I hope singles won't hear this. When last did you allow your husband to suck your breasts? He said, Pastor Funke, you are not holy at all. I am very holy. Satisfy your husband sexually. If not, 100 women are waiting outside to satisfy him. You are looking at me strangely. Don't you suck your wife's breasts? Why are you pretending? Because Reverend Sam is here. Come on, give the Lord a big hand.